literally. So the first day I got here, literally, I literally went to go just run some errands. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chico. Please make sure you subscribe, like, and enjoy this video. I'm like in a hurry right now to Birmingham, but I'm literally about to miss my train, so I have to like walk really fast, and I will catch y'all at the train station because my train literally leaves in like 10 minutes, and that's what, like 9 minutes. So wish me luck. Hey y'all, I'm here with
I like how so not obvious it is. It's easier to vlog. If the whole one vlog and the whole world looking at
that's what everyone says.
I'm like, I've not seen camera before.
We're in Birmingham and we're heading to Sealife. So you guys follow along. I actually like it here because it reminds me kind of like cheap London, but like still nice. No, yeah, but like it's really nice. Like it's very modern. It looks good. You guys, I should have recorded footage of apartment. It was really, really bougie, guys. She's living in luxury.
I'm not living in luxury. You don't open that fridge and see let's be real here on this street. Let's stop.
Please don't kill me. Never. But yeah, so I'll catch y'all in the next part of the vlog. Bye.
Welcome to my channel. Make sure you click like, subscribe, share, email, Yahoo Mail, and Gmail your friends.
What she said. But it's been an amazing day.
Oh, wow.
They're trying to remodel.
This place was.
It's nice. I actually like it here in Birmingham.
Yeah?
I could actually move here.
I'm telling you, if JP Morgan was there, I'll be like, I don't want to. I don't like that kind of stress. Okay, here, here's everything I need. I don't need to move.
Another thing I like about the UK is that everyone here dresses nice.
Yeah.
Compared to America, oh my gosh, like that's literally. So the first day I got here, literally, I literally went to go just run some errands. Oh god, this was saxophone now. Wow. But I went to go run some errands, and I literally just wearing like sweatpants and like a shirt. And I felt so underdressed because everyone was literally so nice, dressed nice. I was like, everyone looking at me. I was like,
I felt the same way, so I dressed like a Florida person with my shiny yellow color. You're like, this one just got
literally,
back.
that just got back.
You want to enter Lush? You get some creamy content. It's so nice.
Smells good. No, please.
No,
I'm just browsing, thank you.
when you transfer it,
So we just got done with the Ivy in Birmingham, and oh my gosh, the food was like A1. Definitely 5 out of 5 because good service, good food. Because it's the first place I've been to in the UK where I actually enjoyed my food, because I feel like the food here is so bland coming from like Dallas, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna be a real quick, you know, update about that because we had such a good time and the drinks were good. Yeah, out of order. It just was right there. But yeah, we're in the mall right now, just walking around, just trying to get my train back home. What are Selfridges? Coach. Oh yeah, I'll catch y'all later. We went to Selfridges, but we didn't get anything. We just got a cupcake.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, email.
Not email.
Use as your dissertation reference.
Someone actually told me that they did that with my Nigerian pigeon video. But yeah, I'm about to head back to Leicester. Birmingham is fun. I like Birmingham. It's nice. I'll definitely come back for sure, for sure. It's a nice, cute, you know, city. It's like London's baby brother. But please. But yeah, I'm about to get on my train. We're in the train station. And then I will catch you guys in the next vlog. I actually have a fun vlog coming up next because my friends from Dallas are coming to visit London. And so I'm going to take you guys around with them. So wait for that vlog. Okay? But like Favor said, make sure you subscribe, like, and I will catch y'all later. Ciao.